Are you tired of feeling priced out of the market? What if I told you that massive opportunities aren't hiding in expensive tech giants, but in overlooked high-potential stocks trading for less than $5? Today, we're diving deep into 5 such companies. These aren't just cheap, they're fundamentally strong, strategically positioned, and poised for explosive growth. Stay tuned, because I'll reveal crucial side-by-side data later that could redefine your portfolio's future. Our first pick, Bitfarms Limited, ticker BITF, offers a pure-play entry into the next wave of North American digital infrastructure, undergoing a strategic pivot from highly volatile Bitcoin mining toward high-performance computing and AI infrastructure hosting. This isn't just a pivot, it's a transformation into a potential high-margin data center operator, riding the massive long-term growth curve of artificial intelligence demand. What makes this stock so compelling is the aggressive execution and formidable financing behind this shift. Bitfarms recently secured over $1 billion in available capital, including $820 million in cash and Bitcoin, alongside a successful $588 million convertible notes offering. This massive war chest is directly funding AI infrastructure buildouts, beginning with the conversion of its 18-megawatt Washington State site to support advanced liquid cooling for NVIDIA GB300 GPUs, targeting completion by December 2026. Management believes this single site could generate more net operating income than its entire legacy Bitcoin mining business. The company is even leapfrogging NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture to develop infrastructure for the next-generation Vera Rubin GPUs, which boast 370 kilowatts per rack compared to 190 kilowatts for current models, expected to ship in Q4 2026. While Q3 2025 saw an EPS miss and a stock drop, adjusted EBITDA soared to $20 million from $2 million, and a 156% year-over-year revenue surge demonstrates underlying operational strength. Analysts from H.C. Wainwright and B. Riley maintain a buy rating, signaling confidence in the long-term vision. Despite execution risks and Bitcoin price volatility, Bitfarms' audacious pivot and substantial capital position it for explosive growth in the booming AI infrastructure market. For real estate investors looking for a highly leveraged, pure-play entry into the luxury housing market, Douglas Elliman Inc., ticker DOUG, is an incredibly compelling option. Operating primarily in high-margin markets like New York, Florida, and California, with recent international expansion into France and Monaco, Douglas Elliman is strategically positioned for the next housing boom. Despite a challenging few years for the broader real estate sector, the company has demonstrated improving operational momentum. For the first 9 months of 2025, revenues increased 5% year-over-year to $787.6 million, and operating losses significantly narrowed from $52.6 million to just $21.5 million. A pivotal move was the October 2025 sale of its property management division for $85 million, which, along with the redemption of all convertible notes, left the company debt-free with approximately $126.5 million in cash. This fortress-like balance sheet provides immense flexibility. Douglas Elliman continues to dominate the luxury segment, with an average transaction price rising to $1,870,000. Its development marketing division boasts a robust $25.5 billion pipeline in gross transaction value, with an additional $6.1 billion expected by December 2026, providing revenue visibility through 2031. Analysts project a return to profitability in 2025 with an estimated EPS of $0.13. While highly sensitive to interest rates and market cycles, its strategic investments in AI-driven technology tools for agents and its strong financial footing position Douglas Elliman for significant upside as market conditions normalize. If you're seeking a high-risk, high-reward digital asset, look no further than Metalpha Technology Holding, ticker MATH. This Hong Kong-based firm, specializing in proprietary blockchain and trading products, offers a rare combination in the penny stock universe. Metalpha has demonstrated exceptional growth, with fiscal year 2025 wealth management income soaring 266% year-over-year to $44.6 million. This incredible performance translated into a substantial net profit of $15.9 million, a dramatic turnaround from the prior year's loss. Their latest half-year net income jumped 62.94%, with overall year-over-year revenue growth at an impressive 112.8%. Metalpha is rapidly improving its financial foundation, securing approximately $12 million in strategic private placement from institutional investors like Gortun International Investment and Avenir Group. These funds are earmarked to accelerate business development and expand blockchain trading services. The company has forged key alliances, including a strategic partnership with FINMA-regulated Swiss crypto bank, Emina Bank AG, to enhance digital asset wealth management in Hong Kong, and a collaboration with Avenir Group to shape the future of digital assets. Furthermore, its next-generation fund ISP delivered an astounding 375.5% net asset value performance from March 2023 to March 2025, significantly outperforming Bitcoin. While the stock has seen short-term volatility, its robust long-term growth and strategic positioning make it a dynamic player in the volatile yet high-potential digital asset market. Next up, we have Grab Holdings Limited, ticker GRAB, the undisputed super app of Southeast Asia, trading for just over $5. This dominant platform is a single, essential utility for over 47 million monthly users across 8 countries, seamlessly integrating ride-hailing, food delivery, and digital financial services. Grab is no longer just a high-growth startup. It's officially turning the corner to sustainable profitability. The company posted a significant $17 million net profit in Q3 2025, a monumental achievement that has driven management to raise its full-year revenue and adjusted EBITDA guidance yet again. This isn't just growth, it's profitable growth, with a record-high EBITDA margin of 15.6% and its 15th consecutive quarter of adjusted EBITDA growth. Their trailing 12-month adjusted free cash flow has expanded impressively to $229 million. Grab's strategic focus on affordability has boosted mobility transactions by 23%, while new delivery product initiatives are growing 3 times faster than existing ones. The financial services segment is booming, with the loan book expected to exceed $1 billion by year-end. Analyst sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with Benchmark reiterating a buy rating and raising its price target to $7.00, and Evercore ISI maintaining an outperform with an $8 target, implying up to 34% upside. Despite competitive pressures, Grab's strong cash position and strategic investments, including $60 million in remote driving firm Vay Technology, firmly position it to capitalize on Southeast Asia's exploding digital economy. Rounding out our list is the Oncology Institute, ticker TOI, a compelling example of the exponential returns possible in the cheap stock arena. This $362 million value-based cancer care group has absolutely surged, with shares skyrocketing an incredible 884% so far in 2025. Despite a recent dip, the bullish sentiment remains strong. 4 Wall Street analysts currently rate TOI a buy, with an average price target that suggests a staggering 125% upside potential. The company's Q3 2025 results underscore this optimism, with revenue soaring 36.7% year-over-year to $136.6 million, comfortably exceeding forecasts. This growth was fueled by a robust 57.4% increase in pharmacy revenue and a 21% rise in patient services, showcasing a powerful dual-engine growth strategy. Crucially, September 2025 marked their first month of profitability, and adjusted EBITDA significantly improved from negative $8.2 million to negative $3.5 million year-over-year. Management is confident, raising full-year revenue guidance to $495 to $505 million and projecting EBITDA break-even by Q4 2025, with positive adjusted EBITDA for the entirety of 2026. They anticipate over 20% top-line growth next year, driven by expanding value-based contracts. Adding to the bullish signals, TOI is expected to join the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes, and over 30% of its shares are insider-owned, indicating strong management confidence. While the company still operates at a net loss and faces healthcare policy risks, its strategic shift toward profitability and explosive revenue growth make it a compelling undervalued growth play. Now, let's look at these numbers side by side to truly understand the dynamics at play. When we see the current prices, you'll see all these companies are trading around the $2 to $5 mark, making them incredibly accessible for various portfolio sizes. Douglas Elliman and Metalfa are the cheapest around $2.30, while Grab Holdings pushes just past $5, still offering immense value. Shifting to market capitalization, we see a wide range. indicating diverse growth stages. Medalfa Technology, holding at just under $100 million, is clearly our smallest cap, signaling potentially explosive returns if its growth story plays out. Bitfarms sits at $1.53 billion, while Grab Holdings is the Goliath of this group at over $21 billion, demonstrating its established market dominance. Revenue figures also tell a story of scale and growth. Grab Holdings and Douglas Elliman lead the pack with over $3.2 billion and $1 billion in annual revenue respectively, showcasing their operational scale. Medalfa, while smaller in revenue at $44.56 million, stands out with exceptional year-over-year growth rates. Now, for gross margins, Douglas Elliman shows a unique 100%, reflecting its asset-light brokerage model, where reported revenue often directly corresponds to gross profit before operating expenses. Medalfa and Grab also boast healthy margins in the 40s, indicating strong unit economics. Bitfarms and Oncology Institute, with lower gross margins, highlight the higher operational costs inherent in their respective industries. Finally, turning to profitability, Medalfa Technology and Grab Holdings are our profitable plays, with positive EPS of 41 cents and 3 cents respectively. This is a rare find in the under $5 category and speaks volumes about their financial discipline. Bitfarms, Douglas Elliman, and Oncology Institute are currently navigating net losses, which is common for companies in aggressive growth or strategic pivot phases. But their improving adjusted EBITDA and forward guidance suggest a strong path to profitability. None of these growth-focused companies are currently paying a dividend, preferring to reinvest earnings for expansion. So, these are 5 incredibly compelling stocks under $5 that could redefine your investment journey. Which of these 5 undervalued gems do you think has the most explosive upside potential for your portfolio, and why? Drop your thoughts and alternative stock picks in the comments section below, and don't miss our video right here on 7 best quantum computing stocks to buy now.